Hello, I am going to demonstrate for you how to add sound to an object. First of all, find a image or an object you like to add sound to and move it around to the location that you would like to place it on the smart notebook. And if you need to make any arrangements with the size and positioning, go ahead and do so. Then go to the upper right hand corner of the image and select sound, and then go and browse for your sound file and click open. Then you need to designate whether you would want a corner icon or be able to click anywhere in the object to have the sound played. I'm going to pick the whole object to attach my sound, and then what I will do is see if the clicking on of the image will produce the sound. Apparently we've been successful, and that's how you add sound to an object.